Beautiful single-story pool home located on a large lot. This home offers 4 bedrooms, great master bedroom with ceiling fan and sliding glass door to pool area and 3 additional bedroom with ceiling fans. Master bathroom offers oversized tiled shower and beautiful upgraded cabinet with double sinks and also an upgraded hall bathroom. Stunning living room with dual masonry fireplace with gas log lighter. Comfortable family room with warm fireplace, wine bar with sleeves, upgraded backsplash and granite countertops. Formal dining. Kitchen offers granite countertops, travertine backsplash, recess lighting, large pantry and breakfast area overlooking pool and beautiful backyard. Separate laundry room with sink and direct entry into 2-car garage. Large backyard with over 12,000 square foot. Lot, bubbling pool, lots of grass area and large area to do lots of planting. Large side yard great for a dog run or a boat. New carpeting and paint, upgraded windows throughout, automatic sprinklers and fenced with brick and wrought iron. Open and bright floor plan.